Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio from 20 till the 26th of January. Not resonating, not your story. Roles can be reversed also. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description box. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can purchase my master class and class and start that. Okay. Link is in description box for personal readings and healings as well. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Ace of Cups. Okay, there is a new person or new love or new energy around you in the town. There's someone around you who feels a lot of emotions for you, a lot of love for you. Let me see what's happening. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups here, honey. Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, the World card. Oops. Wow. Either this person is coming out of a fresh breakup or separation, and or you guys had a breakup or separation with somebody, but this person is still in your energy somehow. Now this person is feeling a lot of emotions for you, but they feel stuck in this kind of energy of, even if they have emotions, they feel like they can't do anything much about it. They're kind of feeling helpless in the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Scorpio. We have the Ten of Swords. You are feeling like this is the end of this chapter. This is over. This is done. There is no light at the end of the tunnel. You're trying your best to get up and start your life again. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords here. We have the Five of Swords, the Six of Swords in the Tower, right? You feel like this is a disaster. And to protect yourself from being hurt again, you feel like moving on and never looking back. Whatever happened. The disaster happened, the breakup, the separation, the ugly, spat, or whatever happened. Now you're feeling like you should just move on towards calmer water and find your own happiness. You should not look behind your back anymore, right? You just feel like moving ahead. See, Ten of Swords twice, Tower, Five of Swords, Six of Swords. What is happening? For some of you, this whole connection, this whole situation between you and a particular person went south because of ego issues, manipulations, and mind games. I am just so tired of this mic thing. I might leave this someday. Anyways, let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them? Queen of Swords. This person wants to remain detached from this, from the idea of being with you. At the same time, they want to give you this energy of, I am not interested. Are you getting my point? It's like not just staying away, but making sure that you know that they're staying away. Okay, but their feelings are getting evoked again for some reason. Feelings are coming up. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords. It's such a contradictory reading where someone still have feelings for you and they're feeling stuck in the situation, but all they want is to get rid of it. God, they're feeling helpless here. Wow. They want to keep moving forward, keep their options open, but at the same time, they want to remain detached from the idea of getting involved with anybody again because they are too hurt to do that right now. What is wrong with this person? They are all over the place. Their energies are all over the place. They're telling me they have emotions and they're helpless, but they want to show you that they are no longer interested in you. They don't care about you. They have all options, all other options in their life that they can go ahead with, but at the same time they don't want to open up to anybody because they are hurt. This is not making any sense to me. Maybe sometimes readings don't make sense to me at all, and the other person, person that I'm doing the reading for, they got all, oh my god, this is the most accurate reading I ever had. God, okay, maybe this is the case with you guys today. What do you want? Seven of Cups. You want to get out of this emotion confusion, and or you want to keep your options open, and you want to explore life more. on an emotional level. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. We have the Fool, the Six of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles. See, you want to have a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area. You want to take the risk of going in this direction again, okay? But you want something that's going to last, something that have the potential to become something beautiful, something uh, stable, something that you can work on, that you can rely on, kind of a deal. You don't want to be a part of any kind of drama or any kind of connection or any kind of situation just for the sake of having fun or something. You want something beautiful, and you want to take the risk in that direction, and you want to get out of this emotional confusion first that you're having regarding maybe someone specific, but you want to take the risk of going in a direction where you are going to find love again. Ah, you're confusing the hell out of me. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 26th of Jan, Scorpio. Scorpio. Three of Swords. Okay, you are still in pain, and you might encounter this painful energy of still moving on, still healing, still in pain kind of energy. You are still not healed, yet not healed completely. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Two of Swords. See, you are still in the middle of this crisis of I am okay, I'm not okay, I am okay, I'm not okay. So universe is going to slap you on your face and telling you the truth, and making you realize the truth about yourself. And the truth here is that you are still on the healing journey, still in the healing journey, still on the healing path. You are not yet there. You're not yet completely healed. You're not yet completely ready. So you should not be moving towards anything new or anyone new until unless you are completely ready, completely healed from whatever you are still going through, because it might end up in disaster again, because you have to learn some kind of lesson here that you are kind of refusing to learn. And the more you are going to refuse to learn that lesson, the more the universe is going to slap on your face. Now it's up to you, honey. I know it hurts, but this is the reality, and this is how we grow. I myself have gone through so many universal slaps, I can't even tell you on counts. But once I got the hold of it, once I got the lesson, like after thousand slaps maybe, I'm okay now. I'm very happy now in my life, honestly. Now, the guidance for you: Three of Pentacles, take help. Take help from somebody who can help you to come out of the situation that you are still in, come out of the pain that you are still feeling and experiencing. Basically, heal yourself properly and take help from somebody who can help you to heal you, right? Or to start your healing journey, if not healing you properly. So, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. See you soon in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.